In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a domain and hosting from Hostinger in 2025. This tutorial is going to make your website journey seamless and straightforward. Whether you're just beginning or looking to expand your digital footprint, I'll guide you through each step with clarity and ease, ensuring you're well prepared to hit the ground running. To get started, you first need to visit the Hostinger website. Simply type in Hostinger in your web browser, and once the page loads, look for the Start Now button. Clicking this will guide you to the next important step in setting up your online presence. Hostinger offers a variety of plans to suit different needs, so take a moment to click on Choose Plan. Consider what each plan offers and pick one that aligns with your needs, whether you're setting up a personal blog, a business site, or an online store. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a duration for your plan. It's time to evaluate the options and decide how long you'd like to commit. Hostinger usually offers better deals on longer-term plans, so weigh the benefits of a longer commitment to maximize your value. Once you've selected the duration, it's essential to complete the billing address information. Make sure to enter all necessary details accurately to avoid any issues later on. This step is crucial for ensuring your account is set up correctly, so double-check the details before moving on. Now choose your preferred payment method. Hostinger typically supports various options such as credit cards, PayPal, and sometimes even cryptocurrencies. Select the one that's most convenient for you, ensuring a smooth transaction process. Now it's time to complete your purchase. Click on Submit Payment to finalize your order. This action will set everything into motion, preparing your hosting package and beginning the setup process immediately. Once the payment is processed, you'll be directed to check out Hostinger's H-Panel. This is where you'll manage your domain and hosting settings. Spend a bit of time familiarizing yourself with the interface, as it'll be your central hub for managing your website. Your next stop is the domain section. Here, you'll have the chance to choose the perfect domain name, one that suits your brand and fits within your budget. You might want to consider using the AI tool's Generate Domain feature, which can be a pretty useful option if you're struggling to come up with ideas. To use it, provide a short description of your site or business in the designated area, and the AI will help suggest relevant options. Following these steps, you've successfully acquired your domain and hosting from Hostinger, ready to start bringing your website to life. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide serves as an invaluable resource in your digital journey.